the contest has now been framed. It is between the coalition of political leaders on one side and the alliance of the people on the other side. It is about the people who want to prioritize positions as to us who want to prioritize job creation. It is them who want to prioritize changing the constitution. We want to prioritize changing the economy. It is them who want to prioritize sharing power. We want to prioritize empowerment of every business and every farmer. So the contest has been framed, and we are ready for this contest because the people of Kenya will make the ultimate decision.
And there is need to reach out to people, to communicate and talk to them clearly. And therefore this donation is not something that we take for granted. That they have been able to donate here 3 vehicles equipped fully with the modern state-of-the-art communication equipment that will enable us to be able to talk clearly and openly to our people. We say asante.